Hey, what is going on, everybody? Today's lesson we're going to do sus chords, and we're going to start with the D major chord. So let's get in here and take a look at this. Alright, so let's get in here and make the D major chord. And remember, when you play the D major chord, you're going to strum from the D string down. And so what you want to do is you want to take your pinky, put it on the first string of the 3rd fret right underneath the ring finger. Strum that. That's D sus 4. Now let's lift the pinky, D major. Now we're going to lift the middle finger. That's D sus 2. So all together, we're going to go like this. We're going to go D sus 4, D major, D sus 2. Beautiful chord right there. So again, D sus 4, D major, lift the middle finger, D sus 2, put it back down, we're back in D major. One last time, D sus 4, D major, D sus 2, D major. Okay, so that is the D sus chord. And so for more information, please check out the description below. And with that, keep watching, keep practicing, and you will keep getting better. And we will see you guys soon.